I created this Tease of 3-minute breathing technique to end snoring and insomnia using T, the second mind technology invented by Chip Top Technologies. Did you know that Teas like mine are discussed in a recent broadcast on BBC World Service? In very simple terms, this technique uses the power of imagination to help you relax. That can only be done with relaxation techniques like deep breathing, muscle relaxation, guided imagery, and so forth. So, when the hypothalamus notices that the breath is slow and deep, it must mean that there are no threats, that everything is okay, and that it's safe to calm down and relax. Treatment options for an anxiety disorder also include cognitive behavior therapy, as well as relaxation techniques, and medication. It has a dreamy quality to it and it provides the perfect background music for some of my guided relaxations. Guided imagery can be used to help ease chronic pain and promote relaxation. So, instead of watching TV in bed or using a computer, tablet, or smartphone in the 2 hours before bed, try listening to soft music or an audiobook, taking a hot bath, or practicing a relaxation technique such as deep breathing or meditation to help you unwind. This makes it harder to relax and drift off to sleep. Provided the beach is a place that represents relaxation for you, all this guided imagery can help elicit peaceful feelings.